Oh, kiddos, looking to gain an edge this holiday season? Tell me all about it. There's actually a low-lift way to grab yourself a share of holiday traffic by harnessing the magic of seasonal SEO. Hold my cocoa, I'll show you how. Get started by peeping what's top of mind this holiday season. Use keyword planners to build a list of search terms you can build content around. You can often find these tools free from providers like Google and SEMrush. It's also helpful to check Google Trends for more current data. Now that you have the building blocks, start creating holiday pages. A couple of ideas are seasonal promos or a holiday greeting. Pick search terms or trends that jive and use each of them as focus keywords on holiday pages. Also, add related keywords. Just run a search term back through the planning tools to get them. With your keyword-rich holiday pages dialed in, add links to them throughout your website. Try hyperlinking relevant text or adding CTA buttons throughout the site. Blog, social media, email, just to name a few, are marketing channels you shouldn't sleep on. Pull up your keyword list, create content linking back to your holiday pages, and then set a schedule for publishing or sending. Holiday pages?
Check.
Holiday content and calendar?
Check.
All right, time to run your holiday campaigns. Oh, at some point during all this, create or update your Google Business profile. Even if you don't have a physical location, it's still important for your online visibility and credibility. Just takes a little effort and smarts, right? And here's the best thing. Next year, all you need to do is dust off your holiday content and repurpose it for 2025. Well, that's it. Hang in there, buckle up, and enjoy the sleigh ride. You've got this.